learn about the coordinate plane. In 5th grade, you probably learned about the first quadrant of the coordinate plane, and in 6th grade we are going to extend that to learn about all 4 quadrants of the coordinate plane. So this system does rely heavily on the use of integers, so positive and negative numbers. So what we learned in the previous 2 lessons is going to extend today into the coordinate plane. So first we have some vocabulary we need to go over. So coordinate plane is a coordinate system formed by the intersection of a horizontal number line called the x-axis, and the way that I remember that is x goes across, x across, and a vertical number line called the y-axis. So y across, or I'm sorry, x across, y up, x across, y up, x across, y up. And then we have points. So we all know what a point is, right? It's a point. But a point is labeled with a capital letter. So when we graph these points on our coordinate plane, you will need to label them with capital letters. And you'll see what I mean when we get there. And then we have an ordered pair. An ordered pair is a pair of numbers that can be used to represent a point. So see, this is all going to come together when we start graphing points on a coordinate plane. And in the coordinate plane, ordered pairs are often expressed as x, the value where we go across, and y, the value that we go up or down. So x or y, and x or y are numbers, but we don't know what numbers they are, so we just put letters there called variables first. The first coordinate x of an ordered pair is the x-coordinate. And it tells us how far the distance, which we should know from absolute value, how far left or right to move from the origin. And the origin is 0, 0. And you might not understand all of this right now, but hopefully it will all come together. And then the second coordinate, y, of an ordered pair is the y-coordinate. And that tells us how far up or down to move from the origin. And remember, the origin is 0, 0. Quadrants, there's 4 of them. So the 4 regions of the coordinate plane. Alright, so down here we have 2 coordinate planes. I'm going to label one of them with a different quadrant, so I'm going to start actually on the right one. We actually start here and we go counterclockwise. So we make a C for coordinate, C for coordinate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this point here, 0, 0, you're going 0 distance. This is the origin. So make sure you're labeling these with me. Now on this first one, I'm going to label the y-axis. Remember, y is up, x across. If we go up from 0, this is all going to be positive integers, and if we go below 0, these will all be negative integers. Okay, and if we go to the left on a number line, these will be negative, And if we go to the right, these will be positive. Don't worry if we don't understand what I'm doing right now, that will all come together. All right. I will continue this. Once you get there, there will be another video coming out where we work on this second page.